Don't run with it, Amanda. Let me get her shoes.
An urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ashtabula County, northeastern Geauga County, northern Trumbull County, Crawford County, Pennsylvania, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Orwell and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Jefferson, Meadville, Orwell, Kinsman, Andover, Linesville. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 77633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Geauga and Trumbull, and Crawford County, Pennsylvania.
The forecast for Cleveland and vicinity. Tonight,